Hello, I'm Kelly with fitnessblender.com, and today I've got a button thigh workout for you. This is only 10 minutes. You're going to need to include your own warm-up and cool down. Otherwise, we're going to target the button thighs from every angle. All you need is an optional resistance band or ankle weights, either way. And if you don't have any equipment, you're still getting a great workout. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so all you need is that optional resistance band, like I said. Otherwise, even with just body weight, no bands at all, this is still a great workout. And you can do all kinds of little things all throughout to make it harder or easier. So I'll give you cues for all of those things. So we're starting out with 3 side steps plus 3 tap backs. So you can do this in a lunge position or standing upright. It's up to you. It's obviously way harder if you go into a lunge. But if you want to make it easier, just make it work for you. 2 and 3, and then back. 1, 2, and 3. So you're going directly out and back at an angle behind that body. Make sure you're not throwing your leg. You want to be in charge of the motion the entire time. So like I said, remember you can squat down and make it a lot harder. So pick your difficulty level and don't be afraid to change it as you go. I'm doing 50 seconds on and 10 seconds off. This is just a quick little burner. You can add this on to another workout or tackle it on its own after a walk, any way you want to. All right, 4 seconds left. Keep going to the very end. Okay, there's 1 down. So our next interval is going to be clock steps. So we're going to do this one for a few intervals. The first time through, we're going quickly but strong and quick through the whole clock. So front, diagonal, side, back diagonal, and straight back. And you're alternating between left and right. And then repeat that reverse just to go the opposite direction. There's a printable also on site if you want this kind of slow at your own pace. Be sure to check that out. Try to make sure that you're stepping out roughly the same distance for each leg. That's part of the control with this exercise. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Squeeze those muscles. Got about 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so next up, we're going to do something similar. We're going to do the clock, but we're going to do it on just one side of the body. So we'll start with right leg first, and we're doing 2 taps per position. So 1, 2 to the front, 2 to the front, diagonal, side, and back. So as you can tell, this one has me huffing and puffing already. But it feels good. Just keep a slight bend in that knee that's supporting you. This one is really doing a lot of work too. It's just kind of, it looks like this one's working a lot, and it is, but even your supporting leg is pitching in here. Got about 15 seconds left. There's 10. 3, 2, and 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, that burns, but in a good way. All right, 5 seconds left. Take a nice deep breath while you can. And here we go. So 1, 2. Just keep it going. Just hit each part on the clock. And you can repeat that rep here if you want to. Just go the other way. Go the other direction with the clock. Get some arms in there. It's kind of running with the arms. Bump up the cardio. 20 seconds left. 10. 10. All right, so next up we're doing the lunge plus a kick to the front. So we're gonna drop this. Now we're going reverse lunge, plus a calf raise. Calf raise, reverse lunge, calf raise. You can go as low or as shallow as you need to for that lunge. Just make it work for you. Keep your core pulled in nice and tight. Keep your body upright, your spine nice and neutral, upright in that lunge position. Keep going. You can also hold on to weights during this workout that make it a lot harder as well. And on the other hand, you can always stop and take breaks whenever you need to. There's never any shame in that. 5 seconds left. All right, there we go. So next up, we are doing a curtsy lunge plus a side raise. So just more angles of those glutes and thighs that we're working. So here we go. Alternating, so you step down and back, come back up, and then keeping your foot pointed forward so you don't start to work the hip flexor. You want to work the outside thigh. Keep your leg pointing forward. Don't open up there. Keep going. Nice and strong. Make sure that you're not using momentum. You want to be 100% in control of that. You can even slow it down if you want to force yourself to be more mindful that you are doing it and not momentum, so that it's all muscle. Got about 10 seconds left. Keep going. All right, so next up we're gonna grab that band again if you've got one. And we're gonna be doing some squatted steps forward along with some side lunges. So sink into that squat if you like. Forward, forward, back, back. Now we're leaning and leaning. And then lead with a different leg this time. Just try to remember, so you're always switching up your leading leg. Keeps your brain in the game too. Oh, my band is really rolling up. There we go. Keep going. 10 seconds left of these. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so next up we're gonna be doing cardio move with a twist because of this band. And even if you don't have the band, again, you'll still be working your glutes, still be working. So here we go. Just as quickly but controlled, as strong as you can. Just basically doing the runner, but with resistance. So get those arms moving to bump up your calorie burn and the challenge on your cardiovascular system. And the whole time you're gonna be feeling that extension in this glute as well as in the supporting leg is doing a lot of work too. Keep going. Oh, buddy. Got about 15 seconds left. I think I'm slowing down. Here we go. Let's go harder. Last few seconds. Keep pushing. 2, 1. All right. Really sad to disappoint. We're going to have to do that on the other side now, but we're almost done. So hang in there. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So again, just as strong and quickly as your muscles allow. Keep your core pulled in. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Keep going. Keep going. About 10 seconds left. Keep pushing yourself. It's only 10 seconds, and that's nothing. 2 and 1. Oh yeah. Okay, so last interval already. We're gonna be doing squats. Here's a basic squat. The band's around just above your knees. Sink back and then press up through your heels to come back up. Again, keep your core nice and tight. Make sure you're not rounding your head or your back or your neck or any of that. Nice neutral spine position. Helps to breathe in on the way down, and exhale is just squeezing back up. We've got under 20 seconds left of this whole routine. Keep going. Three, two, and one. Woohoo! Okay, so this is a super quick workout, but we definitely hit a bunch of muscles, so you're gonna make sure that you cool down if you're not going on to another workout just yet. Otherwise, thank you for working out with me. Good job, guys. This workout is complete.